Yes, we're back again. So in this video, it will not take a lot of time. I'm going to show you how I was able to take this trade and how I was able to get an entry on step index. And I'm going to combine Malaysian or SNR smart money concept and ICT to show you how I was able to get this good entry. So I'm going to get the direction from the monthly time frame. Okay, now we can start. Let me remove the positions. Okay, so that we can be able to see how I got the entry. Okay, now for those who knows Malaysian as a null, as you can see here, we have a fresh level here that was actually rejected on the monthly time frame. Okay, we are going to discuss later concerning more about Malaysian SNR. Okay, now as you can see, we have open close level that is fresh and it was rejected on the monthly. We can see it here. It's already there. Now you can see this area, this level here, open close level, was rejected by the monthly week. Now what happens next? You are supposed to go to one time frame lower to see whether you will get a breakout, because that's the most important thing when you get a rejection on the monthly time frame. It will, when you get a weekly breakout, you will know that you have started monthly storyline. There are those people who doesn't know much about Malaysian SNR, but we are going to discuss that concept later. Now let's move to weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, where did the breakout happen? Breakout happened here. As you can see, it happened there. You can actually switch to line chart so that you can be able to see your confirmation very well. You see, that's where the breakout happened. And after the breakout, you can see the price formed higher high, higher low, higher high, and then gave us a breakout here. Now for us to get an entry, we were supposed to get a retest to a certain level here, and then we start shooting down. Let's see how the market did afterwards. We can now switch to candlesticks. Yeah, now let's see. So after the breakout, what else can you see now? So you have to make sure that the storyline on the monthly also aligns with the weekly storyline. As you can see here, let me put my line here. You can see on the weekly we have weekly rejection. This is the weekly rejection over here, and this was our resistance. This was our resistance, and we have a weekly rejection. Now let's move to we have now started a weekly storyline. You see, from the monthly we have gotten a confirmation of a breakout on the weekly time frame. You can see here, this is the breakout we are talking about here. And then on the weekly, we have now a weekly rejecting a resistance, a weekly resistance. Now let's move to daily time frame. When we move to daily time frame, where do we get our breakout? a breakout happened here. Okay, all right. Now if that's where our breakout happened, again, let's see on the line chart. The line chart shows us the breakout around this point, you can see. So these are breakout. Now the other thing, you have to make sure that also the daily aligns with your the storyline on the daily also aligns with the weekly time frame. Okay, after you gotten the daily breakout, where did you get the retest? You got the retest on the same resistance. This is what we call SBR. Support became resistance, you can see, and we took this trade at this level. Okay, all right. Now after that, you've seen this level has been respected. Let me show you. This level has been respected, and now you can see we have another weekly what breakout here. We also have not a weekly breakout, we have a daily breakout. Let me put it well. We have a daily breakout also. So this is a double confirmation showing you that we are on a bearish trend. You can see we had this breakout here, and then now we have this breakout here. So we were to wait for the market to come back to this level here, either to respect what, let me remove these lines there, to come and respect to our fresh resistance. But now the market didn't get to that level. We have that open close level, we have this one, another one. So the market came and respected this fresh. No, this was not fresh because already it was tapped here, but there was a reason as to why it came here. We are going to discuss later. Then now if the market was able to come there, now this is where ICT now comes in. Let's see on the 4-hour time frame. You come to the 4-hour time frame, and now what you see is that the market now came, and let me remove these two lines. The market came and took this liquidity. You see this high here, it has already taken this liquidity, and it respected to this what, order block. We have an order block here, and it tapped on the body of the order block. Now after that we move to let's move to 1-hour time frame and see how the market did its thing here. Let me remove that line. So we have this as our break of structure. This is now SMC. Let's see. Don't mind, I'm analyzing manually. So let's see, this is our break of structure, and then the market gave us a sweep of liquidity. That was the last sweep of liquidity. So after giving us that last sweep of liquidity, what next? It gave us a confirmation of a change of character. This is a confirmation of a change of character. And also you can call it market structure shift. And after that it came back to take this high here. It took this high here. This was the high that was taken here. So those the one who could have entered early, a little bit early, could have entered at this rejection point, the rejection block on that level. The rejection block is here. That's the rejection block we are talking about. Yes. Now on my end, how could I have entered this trade? Now we can move to 5-minute time frame. So on the 5-minute time frame, my confirmation was when this high was taken, when this high was taken, this high became protected. It was a protected high now, so the market could not go above this level. And for my advantage, I could have taken this trade because it came and took another liquidity level here. Let me remove that line. It took another liquidity level here, making it easier for me to spot a clear entry. So that's where I took my entry on this order block, 5-minute order block, and going downwards. But I was a bit late. Let me return now the positions. I was a bit late. I did not take at this level. I did not take my trade at this level. I took it a bit late, but the market didn't go back. It went down. Can move now to 4-hour time frame. You can see 4-hour time frame, and my take profit was actually here. This was my take profit. I've already taken my profit. This is a demo account, so I've already taken my profit. My profit level was here. That's where I took my profit from our level up there. So that's how I was able to catch that move down here, and I make good cash. So thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet on the next video. Thank you. Have a nice time.